Hello and hello and hello. Welcome back to another episode. So actually, I have decided to not make any kind of analyzing malicious Android application, but I got an idea to conducting analysis on malicious Android application APK file that weaponize it through Metasploit framework. So actually, let's try to create choose file and click Metasploit and upload and decompile it, and let's try to get some information about it actually. So action.main category launcher over here. So that's actually we may not able to find any kind of the relevant information over here, but I think it could be there somewhere to find some information about this malicious Android file and stop-up.java. So maybe trying to retrieve the external, retrieve application through external stuff. Yeah, but let's try to look at manifest.java. Nothing here. R.java. So it's for, I mean, launchers, wallpapers, and other stuff is. Go to here. Redirection provide, and let's try to, we will find any kind of relevant information about this stuff. I think they are same, the same code. They are close to each other. Again, they're trying to retrieve. Permission for external package analysis. So let's try to go to the resource and go to manifest. Let's try to external storage, write external storage for dropping stuff, ignore battery optimization, and some rat stuff. So let's try to upload on MobSF, Metasploit, and click OK. And let us wait until the analysis and trying to upload on kudos and accept and scan. So it's actually already scanned, but there are no static analysis. So click analyze. It actually this need this needs API, but let's try to move on to it's trying to decompile it. Let's back to the Pythos. Just click upload, and we will wait for a while until it start conducting their own investigation, to be honest. Yeah, click view report again. Score detection is up 14100 with the same hashes and another file information. Here's some permission and TCP socket. Oh, good. URL connection. Try to pilot.java. Some stuff by this. And yeah, HTTPS. And maybe we'll try to find something interesting. It TCP socket and TCP socket again. Actually, let's try to, that's a payload. Let's try to copy it. Actually, it's a very long stuff, very long code, very long code. And let's try to find some other relevant information, try to connect it to somewhere, but we have to find it actually. Go to reconnaissance URL. There are no IP addresses over here. Some string is, so it's by other names, it's not important to us. That's services, activities, and let's try to find hardcoded secret string is. Let's try to view source. Com, Google, Android, launcher, Metasploit, stage, payload. So it could be the shellcode in some way, or maybe not, because they are very different in structure actually. Let's try to Pythos and go to thread intel, APK analysis, code analysis. Still, it's not signed. Let's look for HTTP. Okay. Yeah, actually try to connecting into some stuff is actually, yeah, fingerprint. So there are no relevant information. So let's try to go to scan another package. So MSF and try to upload, and again back to the compiler itself. Choose MSF and upload for Kodachi. Upload file MSF already. Static analysis is done. Find maybe URL. No URL. Just here we have some actually a functionality, but let's try to find through Metasploit. Yeah, I think it's a main application that we conducting an investigation on it before already. But let's try to view report and find any kind of URLs, main activities. No server location, just some permission, payload, and payload again. We can try to conducting our investigation. So Metasploit, my host. So actually, there are some stuff is over here. We can try to relying on it. File, power, and actually the other stuff is, yeah, it could be. It could be trying to connect it to something, but actually full internet access, and actually the other stuff is we can conducting a malware lookup. Oh, there are no actually some relevant information. There are just some normal information that available on this sample. And let's try to back to Pithas report. Let's to F5. Actually, again, there are some relevant information. Threat intel. You can try to check on virus total and fan relation, and it's contained to any kind of the IP addresses or not. So actually, classes 2 dex is a malicious. Actually, it's a for Metasploit, and back to classes deck is actually yeah, upload resources classes.dex, but we are not able to read it actually. So let's try prepare my lab and conducting the other investigation. Guys, so I believe my lab is ready. Just open cmd apk toolbat and metasploit.apk. So actually, what is this? Just trying to open run framework. What's this one? IPK. Let's go to the virus total. Okay, let's try to. I think it could be a some kind of let's back to Metasploit. Check the hashes. Okay, and copy here framework 3A 32. No, they are different stuff actually. Click analysis. It may be droppers. Who knows? Let's try to go to APK Studio and try to open APK and Metasploit. Trying to unpacking it. We will wait for a while. So it's not look like open content. Read this YAML. Open notepad. Okay, and Metasploit. JPEGs, no relevant information. Original. No, we are not able to read it actually. Yeah, it contains. So let's try to 1.apk. 1. No, it's not a relevant information. Go to resources. I think values, strings, 1.apk. So there are no 1.apk public. No. Try to variables, arrays. No. There are no actually relevant style, no minimap, icon launcher, drawable. So maybe there are no actually some useful information over here. But let's try to check a tool. Settings, Windows, under Explorer. Actually, it's contain ADBs. Let's ignore it. But actually, let's try to other stuffs. Try to do other stuffs. Paste into Dex2 jar. So Dex2 jar. Okay. .bat Metasploit.apk, and again trying to do apk tool .bat msf.apk, again another one .apk. Okay, close it and just copy, came here, and for msf actually we will do same stuff for msf, and we will wait for a while until it start. Yeah, done. So actually let's try to copy it. I'm back to the toolkit, and here back to the JDGUI. JDGUI is an emulator. So click to Metasploit, Metasploit stage, pilot classes. Okay, so it's look like, let's try, yeah, it's look like a shell code. Maybe, who knows? Let's try to open. Could be a fully shell code. No, look like, not look, but actually trying to decode it. It's trying to decode it actually. It decoded in some way. But let's try to find something more. String is, all the stuff is. Let's try to search for something. .apk, http, https, and try to for msf. Again, they are same payload classes. In some way trying to decode it, actually trying to decode this one. It could be the main shell code actually. Main service, nothing, just some relevant. Okay, so let's try to do something. Actually, let's try to decode it. Okay, open the internet on chatgpt.com. Write a Python code to decode it. That's full ASCII. Yeah, let's try it. But actually, we can try to use CyberChef without any kind of others. From decimal, from no, from hex, no space, start with the 0, none. Okay, trying to copy it. Open Notepad++. I think it's contain an IP address. It contained the IP address because we saw the result. Actually, let's try to decoder.py. Go to the document. Python. Yeah, I'm trying to connect it with this IP address. Actually, let us try to do other stuffs actually for this stage. For yes, payload. Where's the payload is? and trying to conducting same stuffs over here. Just copy it. um F59, good. I believe, yeah, I saw it. I feel it. That's why I said we saw something great. Okay. We will try to do something that actually. Oh, where is it? Actually, we will try to do something that yes. Let's try to do. No, it's maybe some issue. Some strings. X data. Okay, we'll try to do something else. So we're just gonna give this copy again to ChatGPT because maybe there are some issues for this same. Okay. Okay, so actually copy it. I think they are different. No same IP. No same IP. Yeah, because the IP addresses, they are different. Yeah, no same IP, and trying to uh, paste it and actually trying to again all length full code. But I believe let's paste, no, this one actually. Try to paste, but actually it did actually. That is an IP address. So that is an IP address actually. It did. And let's try to do other stuff is to do other, just copy it, copy it again. We're just gonna copy and paste it. Let's try to do another stuff. Heck is trying to search for, there are no relevant information, but oh, I have wrote. So just trying to copy it very well. There's it. Try to copy it and paste it. I don't know why there are no relevant. Yeah, that is it. It found it again. So actually, that's a good way to analyze this a Metasploit script. And actually, our tool is, I think, is ready. So maybe very long code. I'll continue generating. It's a very, because it's a very long. It's a very long of a hexadecimal code, trying to conducting. So actually, writing tool for this stuff is not necessary because CyberChef is enough. We got the idea how to conducting our investigation. Okay, so I hope this video is just be useful for you. And again, you can just try to copy it, open the VirusTotal, and paste the IP addresses and find real sample over here. So .ibk, and for the other code is here, just paste it over here and find the another interesting IP address over here. And I think we did the same, but let's try to find another IP address. And cause let's try to check the 119, yes, and to no, and no, this one, no, this one, no, this one, no, this one. Trying to, I mean, actually, where's this one? Where's the main payload? Payload itself. Just copy it back to Notepad, paste it, remove the stuff, and trying to remove this decode. I think we will find it by God help. Paste. I think they are same IP address but with different port number. They are same IP address with the same but with a different port number, because this one, and if you back to here again, copy it and paste here, remove, and again removed here, and just trying to came to cyber shell. Yeah, just IP address is different. Just IP address. 223. No, 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 no. It's not the same. It is not the same. It's not the same. They are from same ranges, but they are no same. Relation again, yeah, yeah. Though actually it's the same. So actually, you can try to conduct your own investigation and find your own sample from Marvel Brothers and conducted your own investigation. I hope it provides something new, and wait for the next episode. Bye bye.